Assalamu alaikum all of you. It's great to see you over here. Welcome to your circle time. I'm your teacher Tashween with your 7th lecture, English lecture today. Okay, we are going to learn so many things today. First, we will recite dua before sleeping. We have already learned our dua before drinking milk, and this time we are going to learn dua before sleeping. My kids, you have to listen it very carefully and repeat after me. Okay, so we are going to start first. Okay, my kids, you have to repeat. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. One more time. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Okay, so in our circle time, now it's time to sing a song. You have to do these actions with me, so try to do this. Okay, so let's start. We are going to sing a song. Okay.
Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello, hello? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello, hello? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Big and small, big and small, big and small, big, 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 small, 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 big and small. Big and small, big, 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 small, small, small. Please, no thank you. Please, no thank you. Please, no thank you. Please, 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 no thank you. Please, no thank you. Please, no thank you. Please, 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 no thank you. Fast and slow, fast and slow, fast and slow, fast, 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 slow, 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 fast and slow, fast and slow, fast, 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 slow, 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 loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud, 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 shh, quiet, loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud, 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 shh, quiet. Peek-a-boo, 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 peek-a, peek-a, peek-a-boo, 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 peek-a, peek-a, peek-a-boo.
so happy, my kids, that you joined us today, and my chick wants to say Assalamu alaikum, my students. Assalamu alaikum, my little munchkins. Say hello to this chick, my students. Say hello. Say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. So today we are gonna learn all about letter C. It's our new letter. We have already done our 2 letters, previous alphabets, A, and B, B. So today we are going to learn about letter C and all about colors. Okay, we are gonna learn all about colors, and that's how you use in signing ways. Put your fingers under your chin and wiggle them like this and say colors. 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 Okay, so we will start from our 3 primary colors, and everyone, you must know about the primary colors because we have already learned about primary colors. I'm just going to show you these primary colors. The first one is blue, red, and yellow. Okay, these 3 primary colors, and I am also wearing red color today. So we are going to do this experiment. We will mix up these colors, and where my chick is going. Okay, chick, you just stay. Okay, this chick is also in yellow color. Okay, so we will mix all these colors, these primary colors together, and we will have a new color. We are going to do this experiment today. Okay, so let's start. I will use poster paints, and you can use Play-Doh as well, but with your mama or baba's help. Okay, without their help you will not start doing these kind of things. First wear your apron, and then you can use these kind of things like poster paints or Play-Doh. Okay, but very, very careful while you are using these kind of things. Okay, with your mama, because you are so small now, you are a little kid, so you need to your mama's help. Okay, my kids, so let's start doing our experiment. Okay, okay, my kids, as I told you in the beginning of this lecture, that we are going to do some experiment with our primary colors. Okay, so we have our yellow color over here. Okay, I'm just put a little bit amount of this, and here is your blue color. Okay, I'm using poster paints, but you can use your Play-Doh, but all the work, all the experiment you will do with the help of your mama or baba. Okay, so if you need Play-Doh, you just ask the permission to your mama, and if you want to use these poster paints, you can ask your mama. She will help you for doing this experiment. Okay, so let's see. We will have another new color. If we mix, okay, let's start from yellow and blue. Okay, I'm just gonna put a small amount of yellow over here, and then let's see, we will get a new color. Okay, so I have taken this blue one, and I'm going to mix with yellow. So let's see. Wow, which color is this? Can you tell me which color we have this time with our experiment? Okay, a little bit yellow, so you can see it's and this blue one again. Oh, we find out a yes. Will you tell me which color is this? Oh wow, it's a green color. We get a green color from this yellow and blue. Okay, let's do the experiment with blue and red. Okay, I'm just going to put this red one over here and this blue one. So we will get a Oh wow, look at this. It's a beautiful color, my favorite one. It's a purple color. You can find out the purple color over here. And now we are going to mix this yellow and red. Okay, here is your yellow and this one red. We are going to get a new secondary color. These are the secondary colors. Okay, do you think it's a magic we get a new color after mixing these two? Oh, I just want to put little bit yellow here. Okay, now I'm going to mix with this brush. Oh, let's see. It's a beautiful color, that is. Oh wow, it's orange color. Okay, you can see it's orange color. Can you see these colors? Okay, here are the colors. These are three primary colors: yellow, red, blue. Sorry, red, blue, yellow. We are going to start from this side. Okay, red, blue and yellow. And these are our secondary colors by mixing of these primary colors. It's a purple, green and orange. Okay, so you can try this this experiment with the help of your mama as well. Okay, it's a fun experiment with colors. We did experiment with primary colors today. We learned all about colors and we are going to learn about letter C. Letter C makes a k sound. Okay, which sound? K sound. Today you are going to learn its vocabulary words. You will learn some objects names with those begins with letter C. Okay. Oh, look at this flashcard. I see uppercase C and a lowercase c. Okay, even though the one is big and other one is small, but they looks similar today. Okay, so we are going to start tracing on this uppercase and then lowercase c. Okay, always start from the top. Start, around and stop. Start from here, start, around and stop. And for this lowercase you do the same. Start from this this side. Okay, around and stop. Start from this, start, around and stop. C, k, C, k. Okay kids, I see something over here with letter C. Okay, C, k, C, k, crayon. C, k, crayon. C, k, carrot. C, k, carrot. C, k, car. C, k, car. Okay kids, let's start tracing this one. Letter C. C, k. Okay, C, k, C, k. Start from over here, around and stop. Start from here, around and stop. Okay, if you will trace on C, k, and okay here. So start from this point. Put your pencil here. Start, around, and stop. And for this lowercase, start from this point, around and stop. Okay kids? Okay kids, do like this. This is the signing ways of letter C. C, k. C, k. The sound of C is k. Okay, you have to repeat again. C, k. C, k. Okay, do like this everyone. C, k. Okay, now we are going to learn some vocabulary words. I will show you some objects and some flashcards. Okay, so we will learn their names as well. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is a basket, and in this basket I have C, k, cake. C cake. Okay, C cake. Okay, C car. C car. C car. Okay, the next one. C cup. Okay, this is the cup. C cup. C cup. You can see this. C cup. Okay, one more thing. C crayon. C crayon. Crayon. Okay, the next one. The smallest cat. C cat. C cat. C cat. Okay, this is the cat. C cat. Okay, and I'm going to show you some flashcards as well. Some vegetables and fruits. I have capsicum. Capsicum. Okay, capsicum. C capsicum. The next one. C corn. C corn. C cucumber. C cucumber. C cabbage. C cabbage. C carrot. C carrot. Okay, carrot. It's in you can see these carrots in red and orange color, both of these. Okay kids, you remember we always try to do our letter chant. Okay, we have done with letter A. You remember that? Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. Okay, bugs, B bugs, B bugs, B bugs, B bugs. And for letter C, C cut, 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 cut. Okay, for letter A, I'm going to do it again. For letter A, Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. And for B, letter B, bugs, B bugs, B bugs. And for letter C, cut, 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 cut. Okay, you can also try this one. Okay, this is your student book and we are going to do this page today, and it's a letter C cat. C cat. You have to color this C with your red crayon. Take this one and start coloring with me. Okay, like this. Fill out this one, letter C, seek, and also say seek cat. Trace this one, seek cat. Okay, here is your reinforcement. And for this, what we will do, we will take the stickers from the end pages of this book. As I told you, we have already done this activity. Okay, here you can find out these stickers A, B, B, C, K. Just get these stickers from over here one by one like this and go back on this page. And where is letter A? Just paste the sticker here. Okay, and then again do with this same with this letter B, 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 B. I'm just going to place it here on the B, 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 B. And this the last one, C, K. We have this sticker over here. Just go at the back and take this sticker, C, K. I hope you enjoy this activity, pasting stickers. Okay, C, K. Okay, you can see their colors. A is blue, B is yellow, and C is red. Okay, here are some vocabulary objects. Here you can see the pictures, and you just find out the beginning sound of these objects. Okay, first one, it's a bus. B, bus. Okay, bus. So where is the B, here is. Okay, its color is yellow. So you just take this one. You have to repeat again and again. Okay, for reinforcement of. So I am just going to fill out this circle with yellow crayon. Okay, you try to use crayons on student book pages, because easily you can color these. Okay, so now the next one is, you can see this object is apple. Apple. Okay, you can see the color of this apple. Is blue. Okay, so fill out this one, this circle around this apple. You just do this blue. Okay, take this blue crayon and fill out this circle. The last one, it's a seek cat. I can see a red color in seek. Okay, so I'm just taking this red one and I'm just do the red crayon filling around this cat. Okay, don't go out of this borderline. Just fill out this circle and complete this page. Okay, I hope you have a happy day today, and you did experiments with your primary colors and you enjoyed. I hope so, and you can try with your mom's help. You can use your Play-Doh and poster colors, or you can use crayons to do these experiments for mixing of colors, and you can find out some secondary colors. Okay, and you can go on for your C hunt and find out, look around your house, those objects, their beginning sound should be letter C. So take care of yourself, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.